Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete or remove save marketplace searches. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up your Facebook app and then head on over to your marketplace, which is located at the top of this page here. And then from here, you'll see we're inside marketplace. So now what you want to do is click on the magnifying glass search here, and you'll probably be brought to your recent or save searches. So click into save searches, and I've got these 4 items here as my save searches. So if I want to delete any one of these, what I'll do is, for example, I'm going to click on the Samsung 24. As you can see, it's saved here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and then click on unsave, sorry. And now that has unsaved that save search, and as you can see, it's been deleted from this list. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.